Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to set up CSI NFS in Kubernetes. CSI is container storage interface. I will set up an NFS driver that allows Kubernetes to dynamically provision and manage NFS volumes without manual persistent volume creation. In this guide, I walk you through installing CSI NFS driver, creating storage class for your NFS server. For these purposes, you have to install it kubectl, work at NFS server reachable for this cluster. I have a Kubernetes single node and NFS in the same virtual machine. I demonstrate to you. And I have configured NFS server as well on this node. With folder data NFS where I have stored my PVC. If you don't know how to configure single node Kubernetes cluster, please watch my video, and you can watch my video how to set up NFS server as well. So let's go ahead and start to install CSI NFS driver. In first step, we are using command that deploys it to server. Download it and run script. Let's see if pods provisioning. Run command watch. Now we have all pods is running. Let's check daemon set. In status ready. What this script did? This script created the required reback roles and service accounts, and it deployed the CSI controller and node plugins across your cluster. And after that, you have to see all pods should running or ready status. So in next step, we will create a storage class. What is a storage class? Storage class tells Kubernetes how to dynamically create persistent volumes using our deployed NFS. Let's create manifest named NFS CS YAML with command nano and paste here this content. Let's little bit explain you. We using manifest kind of storage class which named NFS CSI. We have IP address our NFS server on this server, replace with your NFS server IP, and this folder that we makes before in previous video. If you didn't see, please watch my video. Okay, let's save and apply this manifest. Storage class is created. Let's verify our storage class. Now we have an NFS CSI storage class where we can resize your PVCs. Let's create persistent volume claim that uses a new storage class. Storage 5 gigabytes, read-write many, access mode, and we point here our NFS CSI driver. Let's save and apply it again. Let's check PVC-A. No resource found. No resource found. Okay, let's apply it. Now we have persistent volume, which contain PVC. In namespace default, read-write many, storage class NFS, CSI. Now we can use this persistent volume claim. For example, we wanted to bound this persistent volume to our pod. Let's deploy a simple pod, test pod, nano pods YAML. Paste. We're using busybox image and claim name NFS PVC. So now apply kubectl apply dash pod created kubectl get pods Now we have NFS test pod is running. Let's go inside pod, kubectl exec dash interactive mode pod NFS test, open shell inside it. Create a file with string hello pvc and write in mnt nfs hello txt. Now we can read this file because it persistent and was created in PVC. Now if you see this message hello PVC, this means NFS CSI driver was working correctly. So that's it. By installing the NFS driver and configuring a storage class, you enable dynamic NFS provisioning in your all Kubernetes cluster. NFS using for many pods. For NFS, use it in case where you have a lot of workers and share PVCs between them in NFS storage. This approach simplifies storage management and supports multiple pods for reading and writing to the same volume because we have parameter, as I said before, read write many. It's making ideal for shared data content management system. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to thumbs up and bye bye.